Hello guys, good morning. Today is Larry FX Academy here again. It's been in a very long time we posted any video concerning trading. Now it doesn't mean we've not been trading all the way. We've been trading and we're trading really actively. We've really been busy, but I think we just have to make our time to come back here and to YouTube and try to create some videos to help you guys, especially those who are struggling around trading volatilities. Now, we would also cover the cryptocurrency space, the currency space, and also for some currency pairs. And if need be, we would also cover the stock pairs. So I hope now we're starting again. I hope we keep up with the energy and keep giving you guys content that's going to help you increase your knowledge on the financial space. So basically, we'll just get to start. So today I'm just gonna be uploading this content of volatility 25. You understand? So we're just gonna be analyzing volatility 25 alone. And hopefully I drop videos on other pairs, you understand, differently. So now there's a reason I'm actually talking about this volatility 25 because we've been trading it now. We've discovered that it's been on a long downtrend. So if you look at the trend of volatility 25, it's been a downward trend. You understand? So now another thing happened again on this particular pair. You see, we had market do something like what we call give us here a break of structure. You understand? So give us a break of structure here, and then we'll also give us a break of structure here. You understand? And then a break of structure also at this point. So that's it basically. But then this structure, the first break of structure actually reacted to this particular level. So this gave us a point at it simply gave us our level of interest, you understand? So now that being the case, overall we are anticipating market to get to this particular low because this has been expected. But then market also gave us a break of structure, a current recent break of structure at this point. And then that's it's what is giving us our current reason to take a trade at this particular point. Now, how do we go about understanding what is going on in the market at the moment? Now, this is what we call a trend line break. So we can simply see that this is a clear trend line break. Let me link it up to this level. Now, you see market got here, bounced on this point, pushed up, bounced on this point, pushed up, bounced here again for the third time, pushed up, still did as if it was giving us a break of trend line, and it still gave us a bounce respecting this other block, and it pushed up. Now it clearly gave us a clear break of trend line here. Now what happened? It has pushed up for a retracement, and then our anticipation is the market keeps giving us structures to the downside until hitting this final level, which we'll consider as our take profit level. Now we're already on a trade here. We've entered multiple positions here for a sell, and then we're anticipating the market drops first of all to this particular. Okay, first of all, we anticipate market gets to this point, and then we anticipate it gets to this point, and then this point. So these are levels we are looking out for. So we are not just expecting the market is just going to come here straight up. No. So we expect it gives us certain it respects all these levels. You understand? So now that being the case, we simply go to the smaller time frame. Now, if we go to the 8 hours time frame, it's not really going to give us any huge difference. It's just lowering its thing. You understand? So one thing we can see even on this 8 hours time frame or on the 24 hours time frame is this level. So this is another block. I'm sorry, this is it's another block, and we can still consider it a base. You understand? So now I made this light so that we understand that we are clearly so I can clearly analyze this market even inside this particular zone, so you guys can understand what's going on. So now we simply trying to work on, okay, this is another base. Something really got me pissed. I actually just did this record the first time and it didn't even work at all. Like maybe because I've been a while I recorded, and it didn't work. So this is the second time I'm trying to make this video. So for you guys, so these are the struggles we have to or efforts we have to put in to get you guys content. So now this is actually the second one, and then it's a 4 hour time frame. It's simply just giving us a kind of wave to the downside, which is fine. Um, we can't really get any form of clean analysis here. Let's go to the first, the 1 hour time frame. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, one would think, oh, we can get something really clear from this fast time, from this 1 hour time frame. But I think it didn't really play out clearly here. Like you won't really get the clear analysis here on this fast time frame. You get better on the 15 minutes time frame. And that was the one I used in taking entries. You understand? So now, what do? We simply look at what happened in the market prior to this particular time or moment. So now what happened? This was a resistance point. We simply took this particular level for our order block. You understand? And then we worked with this particular order block here. Yeah, and then we took the bottom, which is this particular level. So now this order block at the close of candlestick bearish, we took our entry, we took our stop loss here, and then take profit hit at this particular low. And then we simply marked out our order block also here. So we marked out our order block. Now, market respected this order block severally. Why? Because we got our first break, retest, a break, hitting take profit. That was the first one. And then it came back, retested here. We took our entry at the close of candlestick at this area. It didn't hit our stop loss. And then we were targeting market to hit take profit. So it simply just danced around it for like some days, and it still came up and hit our take profit. Now, while we were thinking, oh, this zone has actually been respected and it's over, tapping it several times, you can see we still extended it the same level. Markets respected it first, second time, hit stop loss if you were to take any entry here, and then confirmed, put your stop loss either at this resistance, and then you can clearly see market came off and hit our take profit. So our take profit sitting at this particular level, or this particular low. Now, if I were to use this short, you see first entry, this, and then you see we got our first entry, and then take profit got hit at this point. You understand? Take profit got hit at this particular area. Yeah. Then on the second trade, our second trade was taken around the zone. You understand? So we still set our stop loss at this particular area, and then our target still is this low. You get, so take profit got hit at this area too. Now on the final one, we took our entry also at this point. We can't take our entry at this point because market has not really closed, giving us a clear confirmation. And then we simply, normally some persons will take their stop loss at this point. You're still respecting the order block, but for me, I naturally just like taking my stop loss above the printed resistance. You understand? So just, let's say, some pips. Now take profits also at this point. You understand? So take profit now hitting this particular level. We put our stop loss at this zone. You understand? So now putting our stop loss at this zone, this particular trade has been met. You understand? So now we actually have another entry which we took around this place, which is our order block. You understand? So our order block here simply will work by putting our stop loss around here. You understand? Our entry here. So putting our stop loss around, sorry, marking our order block, I use this 15 minutes order block to work by it. So now we saw market giving us our entry here first of all, and then give us a final entry here. Now some persons will want to take an order block using the higher time frame, which is this 30 minutes or this 1 hour order block. So some persons will want to work with this 1 hour order block and take their entry. So whichever way, when you take your entry, we'll simply work with our entry here, and then put our stop loss here, and then our final take profit would be hit at this particular point. You understand? So generally we are looking at holding bearish momentum. You understand? So we're looking at holding bearish momentum. So take profit for this one is already hit. So whatever we'll be looking out for next is we'll be looking out for an opportunity to take our next sell on this particular one. You understand? So we'll be looking at taking our next sell on this particular one. But for me, I'm currently holding and I expect to hold my trade up to this particular point. So let's see how it all goes. I'll be updating you guys on what actually happens on the market and then let's see how it plays out. So this is my view on volatility 25 for the moment. Have a wonderful weekend, guys.